The Avenue layering system can be controlled with a PC or a Mac through a simple web browser. And it could be controlled from anywhere, making it perfect for master control, bypass, or central casting, even small production mobile vans. The bottom part of the interface is the source selection. So what is currently on air has got a high red tally. Next to it then, the blue tally is what is currently going to be next, or the preview bus that's on it. The lower right-hand corner then is a transition control panel, which tells us what we're transitioning, whether it be our background preset bus or any of the keyers or any combination thereof. Above that then is our background transition area, and then the two keyers with its own transitions that are on top. So here we have we've got currently our DDR1 is on air. We now have our second DDR ready to go, and all we need to do is hit the transition button, and we've now mixed and transitioned it onto our program. Now I'll select the next shot. Here's our next shot, our two shot that's here. It is blue tallied. I now hit the cut button, and now I've cut that back into at that point. So this is the transition. What are we transitioning? These are the sources, and you'll notice that each of these has a thumbnail that's updating on a regular basis, so we can actually see the source before we actually take it to air. Now the transition menus that are above this are dealing with just the background and preview bus, or each individual keyer, and it has its own cut and mix controls. Now let's take a look at the keyers briefly. Here we have a keyer. It is currently mixed that's on. If I want to adjust that keyer, I go into the setup menu, and it now allows us to adjust where the foreground is coming from, where the background is coming from, any of the clip and gains or clip high and clip low, positioning, whether we want to position the the key somewhere else on the screen, drop shadows, and masking. So all of that has control. We can save it as a preset and instantly recall it to any of the keyers by just simply saying, you know what? I want this key to go into this keyer, and now I hit the mix button and we're on the air. It's a delightful little vision mixer that's been inserted in the middle of a router, and the unique feature is it can be controlled by an iPad as well. So stop by stand 8B91, check it out.